Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Anissa Octavia Putri dari Prodi PAUD. Melalui video ini, saya akan memenuhi tugas UTS saya dengan mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris yang diampu oleh Pak Burhanuddin MPD sebagai dosen. Langsung saja, saya akan mempresentasikannya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Story of Pancatantra. The story of Pancatantra. Long ago in the kingdom of Mahilarapya, there lived a king who was ruling very ideally. He had 3 sons who were not intelligent. None of his sons were smart enough to rule his kingdom. The king was worried. He kept thinking for a long time, how can I make my son smart in very short time? Yes, of course, he thought if my sons would know the scriptures, they would become smart very fast. Great idea! He then started looking for a teacher who would teach his sons this scripture and make them knowledgeable and smart in a short time. He suggests the name of Venus Sherman on old skilled pontiff. But there was another problem. It would take more than 12 years, even for an intelligent man, to grasp all the elements of the scriptures. Then who could this old teacher accomplish the teaching in a short time? But Vishnu Sharman was wise. He convinced the king that he will teach the prince about kingly conduct through a series of stories which will be more effective than the scriptures. Thus, Vishnu Rahman complete the stories in 5 volumes known as Panchatantra, meant to serve as the guide for the prince to learn about kingly behavior. The 5 volumes of Panchatantra are 1. The loss of friends, 2. The winning of friends, 3. Crows and owl, 4. Loss of guns, 5. He considers action. The Brahmin and the Cobra. Aridata was a Brahmin who was very poor. He was a farmer, but the piece of land he cultivated gave him very little to survive. One day, unable to stand the heat of the summer sun, he went to a big tree in his land to rest for a while. Before he could spread himself on the ground, he saw in the nearby until a hawk cobra sawing with his hood open. He thought, this cobra must really be the goodness of this land. I have never worshipped her, which is why I'm not able to get anything for the land. From today, I will worship here at watch. He went back to his village and returned with a glass full of milk. He poured in a bowl and turning to the until said, O ruler of land, I did know you were living in this anitil. That is why I have not paid my tribute to you. Please excuse me and accept the humble offering. He then placed the bowl of milk at the till and left the place. Next day, when the Brahmin came to his land before the sun was up, he saw a gold coin in the bowl he had left at the anitil. Henceforth, he came alone every dawn, counted the coin, offered the milk in the bowl, and left. One day, the Brahmin living for another village on business asked his son to go to the anitil and offer milk. When the son went the next day, he found a gold coin in the bowl. He collected the coin and thought, this anitil must be full of gold. If I kill the cobra, I can collect and the gold in one go instead of coming here every day. He then struck the cobra with a big stick, but the cobra deftly dodged the blow, but stung the son to death with his poisonous fang. Returned to his village the next day, Haridatta heard the story of his son's death, and at his own village the great was beheaded. The Brahmin went to the Anitil the day after his son's cremation and offered milk to the cobra. Without coming out of his hole, the cobra told Haridat, "You have come here for gold, forgetting that you had lost a son, that you were in mourning. The reason is great, for today there is no meaning in our relationship birthed by his youth. Your son has struck me and I beat him back. How can I forget the blow? How can you suffer the grief of your son's death? Finally, I am giving you this diamond. Don't come back." Moralnya, excess of greed has harmful. Sekian, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Itu saja yang bisa saya jelaskan dalam memenuhi tugas UTS saya dengan mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.